10 things men do during sex that women hate. 1. Not shaving down there. Excess hair down there turns most women off. No woman likes to suck a pen surrounded with too much hair. 2. Insufficient or no foreplay. Foreplay is more important to a woman than sex itself. If you want to get her on her best behavior, start with a foreplay. 3. Never use your hand to force her head during blowjob session. She is not an animal. Don't choke her because of sex. 4. Excessive thrusting. Guy, take it easy. She is not a band. Why beat her so rough? Be passionate with her. Ride her like a queen, not a slut. Don't rush the food that is already yours. 5. Take it easy on her breast. No girl likes her breast to be rough-handled. Handle with care, press with love, squeeze with attention. 6. Not lasting long enough. No woman is pleased with a 2 minutes man. So my dear, try to last long. 7. Being silent and emotionless. Women like men who moan during sex. So my guy, learn to moan. 8. Always being the one in charge. Ladies too, wants to be in charge once in a while. Give her the chance. Allow her take the lead. 9. No afterplay. Sleeping off immediately after sex is a turn-off for any lady. Learn to communicate after sex. 10. Not slapping her ass during sex. Women love it when you hit their ass.